Hey Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a Christmas tree topper star. If you can see the one that we got right here from this brand right here, and it mentioned how the actual light is like a warm white color, and this one is 8" and it has 8 different light modes on here. So I'm actually open this up first to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside right here. But let's take it out. So first thing we see inside right here, they probably got the feedback card, and then right underneath that we have everything else. So we do have the actual star right here, and then we do have the plug outlet right here. So you basically want to screw this in right here. Alright, so once you guys got that in, you basically want to set up this part right here. So basically want to put this into one of these right here. Alright, so once you guys got this part in, you basically want to hang this on the Christmas tree. Once you guys do that, you can basically plug this in and activate the product. If you see the wall charger right here, they do have a button. So you definitely use that to actually change the different light on here and probably turn it on as well. So I actually plug this in first to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so if you actually plug it in, this is basically what the product looks right here. If I want to change the different modes on here, I basically want to press on the button. So here is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and it goes back to the original right here. So you see the product is actually really cool. So you definitely change all the different modes on here. They basically have the light option here and the lights throughout the actual product as well. And I really like the fact that how it has 8 different modes on here for you guys to change. So depending on your preference, you can definitely adjust it to however you guys want to. But you see the product right here definitely works really well and definitely looks really cool as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one, have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.